Look at this channel. This is a crime scene channel, and with just 105 videos it got 1.9 million subscribers. And if you see the earning of the channel, they have gotten almost $1.6 thousand to $26,000 per month, and the yearly earning is more than $300,000. so this is an easy topic and very interesting, because the videos that are the crime scene that are interested for everyone. So now the question is, this is the very high competition topic. So I say yes, this is high competition, but now I'm going to tell you the trick that how you can bypass this, because you are going to give the true stories. I mean, these are the stories that are telling stories, but I am going to show you how you can create the videos using true crime stories. And you just need to provide the true crime stories that it will convert the interest of the users inside your video. So you don't need to use the screenshots of the videos or the screenshots of the scenes. You don't need to make research. Everything will be handled by AI. The images will be generated free of cost with AI, and the voice will be generated with AI, and this will be free. And you just need to generate the video with Canva free version. This is also free. So all three methods are free that I'm going to provide it into this video. So let me get started. First of all, you need to open the DeepSeek AI, and here you just need to click on new chat and paste the prompt here. So this is the prompt that you will be added, provided into the description. So this is a detailed prompt that I have given, so you can read it by getting from my description. So here we need to add the story articles. So how we can get the story articles link? So this is very simple. I am providing you some articles, okay, and some resources where you can get the articles of the crime stories or the true crime stories. For example, if you click on this, you will see that there are a lot of true crime stories. For example, there, if you click here, true crime stories, and here is the serial killer. So there are many crime stories you will see. For example, this one or this one, these all crime stories are known crime stories. So everyone know about these stories. So for example, I get this one, the crime story title, and go into the Google, here in the Google, and search for this crime. So there I will get the many articles about these crime stories. So here you can see there are the many crime stories with the Netflix and so on, the BBC News and so on. So here I just copy some of the links. For example, copy this link, go back into the DeepSeek and paste here. So this is the one link. So from that I get one or two links. For example, this is one, is also a link of this crime scene. So I will just paste the link. So here I have added the links of the live articles of these crime stories. So what it will give, it will give us the scene by scene story as well as the image prompt into the Excel form. So I just click on enter. Keep in mind, you should turn off this DeepSeek R1 and search option into the DeepSeek AI. So this will search and think deeply for your prompt. Now it has read our prompt and give us the scene by scene and given us the first 30 scenes. So that's good. So I just turn off now the search and think and say continue. So whenever I will say continue, it will give us next 30 scenes for this story. So it's thinking. So here it will provide us episode 2, for example, and scenes from 1 to 31 to 60. So this is, in this way you will get the scenes by scenes story, and it will give the table form. Now by giving the continue prompt, it gave us another 30 scenes. Now you can see these are the 30 scenes and these are another 30 scenes. So what we can do now, it will also give us the characters specifications as well. So you just need to copy the scenes from 1 to 30. For example, just copy that and go here into the sheet and paste here. So now we have 30 scenes into the sheet. So go back into the DeepSeek and now copy the another response, copy this response and paste inside this is the another scene. 31. So I just copy this, or 31 to 60, just copy that and paste here. So just like that, you just need to paste all the scenes. So you just need to remove this extra line from this. So I just remove that. So now we have 60 scenes and the 60 prompts for the image. So I just remove that. So just like that, you need to put all the 120 scenes. It will be complete 20 minutes video. Now what the next is, you just need to generate the images and the voiceover. So for the generating images, there are a lot of image generators that give you some free trial, and after generating some images, it give the error that the trial is off. So now I'm going to give you the free method with the help of which you can generate the free AI images. So how you can generate the free AI images, this is very simple and this is very easy. So what you can do is, you just need to open your WhatsApp, and here you will see a meta option. So you just need to open the meta option, and here what you can do, that you just need to click and here slash and select, say, imagine. And in imagine, you just need to copy the prompt of the image. For example, this is the prompt. You just need to copy this prompt and go back and paste here this prompt. So it will generate the free images for you. So now you can see it is generating the image for you. This is free, of course. There is no limit of the image generations, and you don't need to pay anything. So you can see this is the image. So now what you can do, that you just need to save this image. For example, 01, you just need to save these images properly, scene by scene. For example, 01 scene and 02, 03. So in that way, if you save these images, it will be easy to understand for you which image is for which scene. So one by one, you need to save all the scenes images and generate these scenes. Now after generating the images scenes, what you can do now, you can generate the AI voices and generate the video. So for generating the AI voice, you just need to go back and open the speechma. So this is the speechma where you can generate the voice. So you just need to copy at least 10 to 20 voices. For example, I just copy these 20 voices and go back into the speechma, and here you can generate the unlimited voices in one prompt. So here I just paste that. Another thing that you need to do is, after the column, you just need to add 3 semicolons here. For example, here. So I'm doing that because there we need some space between one sentence to other. So for adding the space between one sentence to another, I am adding these columns. So after that, you just need to click on voice settings, and the pitch should be -8 or -5, and -16, and speed should be -6 to 8, and volume should be 200, and click on remember. If you click on remember settings, it will remember the settings for all next prompts for you. So here you just need to enter the number that is written here and click on generate audio. So it will generate the stunning audio for you. Now audio has been generated. So if you wanna listen that.
In July 1908, for boys camped by Teal's Pond, unaware of the...
Now the audio has been generated. So now simply the final part, how you can generate the video. So you just need to open the Canva. There I'm going to share you 2 methods, and which is the free, of course. I mean, if you have a standard version of the Canva, that you can easily generate the images of the video, and if you have the bulk creation option in your Canva, that will be also awesome. So now I show you the first method. You just need to click on create, and here you just need to search for the video, and here in the video you just need to select the landscape video here, and here I just title it, for example, crime story, for example, here, and here you just need to drag it to make it 9 to 10 seconds, because our audios are almost 9 to 10 seconds. So here I have dragged it to the 10 seconds. So here we just upload first thing image. So I have already uploaded. So if you click on upload and select your image, for example, scene image, and upload, so this image will be uploaded here. So one by one you need to upload the images here. So all images I already uploaded for you because I am creating the video for you. So here, for example, I see here this one is the image 1 scene. So I just click here and make this set as background. So this is set as background because this is one image. Here if you click on animate, so here I select this zoom in animation for this video. So here I select scale it to the speed, I should make it slower, and here you can see. Now if you click here, and we need the heading is for the subtitles here. So here we need a subtitles here, so I just add the heading here, and an example, I just copy the first heading from this, copy this and paste here for example, and make it smaller, make it smaller to 60 and drop it here. And if you click on effect and click on background, so here you can see there is a yellow background, so you can select the black background, and the text color I select the white one. So now you can see, and you can also make it smaller here. And here if you click on this text and click on animate, and in the animate you can select the wordings, for example this one, and in that you also need to select the slower speed. So now when the audio will be added, it will completely go like that, it will go like that. So now what you can do that, now if you click here and duplicate that page, so there will be the second page of this, and here just like that you need to duplicate one by one. And here I just click on that and click on uploads, and here I just place the second scene image, for example. So this is the second scene image, I just select this, set as the background. So this is the second scene, and copy the second scene text from this file and paste here, because this is the subtitle for this. So now the second scene is also ready. So one by one I just duplicate and paste the scenes text here, so it will be the scene by scene our video without audio. So I have pasted scene by scene videos, and here is the video without audio. You can see this is the scene by scene video. So now what you need to do is you need to download the audio and upload here. So I have already downloaded the audio, so I just click here, and here is the speechma audio that I have generated, and click on upload, and here I just drag and drop the audio that I have generated. So this is the audio that I have already added here. So I just click on this audio and paste inside that. You can see this audio is placed in the bottom of this, and here I just click here and click on the volume, and you just need to increase the volume to 300 or 200 to 250, because the original audio is slower than the Canva audio. So now the audio has been added, and you just need to move the scenes between the audio. I mean, if your audio is not matching with the scene, you can just drag and drop and complete the scene audio, for example here. And if you see any configuration issue, for example if the scene is before the audio and after the audio, so you can just drag and drop the scene, and it will be completely done. And now after fixing the scenes within the audio, you just need to click on file and click on audio, download, and click here, and you just need to download this into the full HD version. So I just click on download. Now after clicking the download, so this is the preview of the video, so I just want to show you.
In July 1908, 4 boys camped by Teal's Pond, unaware of the horror they'd find at dawn. They laughed around their campfire, oblivious to the pale shape drifting in the reeds. At sunrise, young George pointed at the water. A woman's body floated face down, her hat feathers tangled in lilies. Men hauled the corpse ashore, a blue dress.
So this is how you can create the full audio and video using Canva free. Of course, you don't need to pay anything for the any tool. Now I promise you, I will tell you the bulk create method also, if you have the bulk create option into your Canva. So for that you just need to go here, and here you just need to click on file, click on new design, and here's you just need to search for the video as I showed you in the start, and here you have a new design, and here you just need to paste, copy and the paste first design of our video. For example, this is the first design, and just paste here this design. So there you can see this is pasted. So I just delete the extra designs from that extra templates. For example, here I just delete that template as well because we need one here. So here is the one. So here I just click on uploads, and I just add one image from these here. So for example, this is the image here. So here I just wanna do something here. So here I wanna create the bulk create option, and I wanna use the bulk create option here. So here I just click on apps and search for bulk create. So here is the bulk create option. So I will completely create all the slides in one click. So here's the bulk create option. So here I just click on enter data manually and copy the prompts, copy the titles from that. For example, here I just copy that 10 titles for showing you can just copy the 50 maximum in the Canva. So here I just paste here, and here I just say title, for example, and here I just remove that because we don't need that. And here I just click on add item, and here I select image. So here I select scene image. Okay, so here that's why I told you just need to save the images scene by scene. So here you just need to click on plus icon, and here you just need to search for your scene image. For example, I search for one scene. So here is the scene one image, and just like that I search for 02 scene. So this is the 02 scene image. So just like that you need to add all the images. Now I have selected the 8 images and the 8 scenes titles here, and just click on done here. Here is the done button here in the corner, and here we just need to click on right click here and click on connect data, and just select this title. Click here, click on then connect click here on the image, click on connect data and select the scene image and click on continue and generate 8 designs. Now click on view folder. Now in the designs you can see there is a bulk one. Within the bulk one title there is the design is ready. You just need to open this design, and here you can see there are designs. So you simply click here and right click here and replace with the background. On all the images you just need to right click and replace with the background. For example, here I just replace all these images with the background. Now all of the images are replaced with the background. You can see all of the images are replaced with the background. So somehow like that I just told you in a few seconds ago, you just need to upload your audio. You already uploaded, so you just need to add your audio here and match the scenes with the audio, and then it will be ready for you. So if, for example, this is, and here this is the audio is matching with the scenes. So this is how you can generate your AI created video. For example, if you I just downloaded and just want to show you the complete video.
In July 1908, 4 boys camped by Teal's Pond, unaware of the horror they'd find at dawn. They laughed around their campfire, oblivious to the pale shape drifting in the reeds. At sunrise, young George pointed at the water. A woman's body floated face down, her hat feathers tangled in lilies. Men hauled the corpse ashore, a blue dress stained green, the victim's identity hidden by decay. The coroner found a vicious skull fracture, proof she was murdered before entering the water. Her father recognized only her rhinestone hair combs. "It's Hazel," he whispered through tears. Newspapers screamed, "Mystery girl murdered." Hazel Drew's portrait now haunted an entire nation. Her Troy employer revealed Hazel vanished days earlier, abandoning her governess post without warning.
So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and comment below if you have any issue, if you need any video, another video for the related to YouTube tutorials.